With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so we are given with a question which says the block are on frictionless inclined ramp and connected by a massless rod. The rod passes over an ideal pulley. We can take G as 10 meter per second square, that is acceleration due to gravity. We need to calculate the value of capital M, that is mass of this block, to keep the system at rest. So we know to keep the system at rest, the forces must be balanced. Meaning is that, let's suppose the force which is pulling this block in the downward direction is nothing but we can say it is mg sine theta, or we can say it as 10g sine 37. Let's write it over here. Alright, and if we make the FBD of this block, we can see this block will be pulled downward direction with a force of mg sine 53. Alright, and to keep the system at rest, we can write it over here: to keep system at rest, these two forces which are pulling the blocks should be the same, so that the block or the system will remain at rest. We can write 10g sine 37 has to be equals to mg sine 53. So just we have to compare the forces. G and G will get cancelled out, and from here we can say 10 sine 37 is 3 by 5, and that is equals to here, and sine 53 is 4 by 5. Therefore the value of M comes out to be 7.5 kg. So this much mass this block must have to keep the system at rest, and this matches with option C. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.